Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. और today we are going to react on BTS first Indian interview by Sakshama.
तो हम लोग इसके लिए हमें बहुत सारे रिक्वेस्ट भी आ रही थी और हमें वैसे भी ये देखना था क्योंकि ये BTS का फर्स्ट इंटरव्यू है इंडिया के साथ.
बहुत ज्यादा एक्साइटेड.
गॉड, तो हम लोग को तो देखना है, पता नहीं क्या क्या वो पूछने वाली है. आई एम नॉट श्योर अबाउट इट बट
यस. एंड काफी ज्यादा कमेंट्स भी आए थे और कमेंट्स में किसी ने बोला था कि शायद इन्होंने हिंदी भी यूज करी है, तो मैं तो बहुत ज्यादा फिर तो
BTS के मुंह से हिंदी सुनना हुआ. तो चलो बिना किसी
watch it without wasting any time.
Yeah.
Start. Naughty.
We're together for India. Stay strong.
Oh.
V.
We have to talk about your voice. Jungkook, I love your hair.
India BTS Army, आप हमारे दिल में रहते हैं. Thank you, Sakshama.
Hi guys, my name is Sakshama Srivastava and I hope that all of you who are watching the show from your homes are happy and healthy. My guests today, they are singers, they are dancers, they are songwriters, they are philanthropists and they are models and they are very handsome. Please give it up for the biggest K-pop group in the world, BTS.
Sakshama कितना लकी है ना.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Hi. Please go ahead and introduce yourselves.
I'm Jimin. Nice to meet you.
My name is Orm. Nice to meet you guys. I'm Suga. Nice to meet you.
J-Hope. Namaste.
Nice to meet you.
Namaste.
I'm V. Namaste.
Oh, namaste.
नमस्ते. कितना
Nice to meet you. Namaste.
Oh, namaste.
Namaste, worldwide handsome guy Jin.
Oh, worldwide
worldwide
handsome. Of course,
handsome.
very, very handsome. Okay, we have to talk about your song, Butter. Please tell us about the concept of the song and what was the most fun part about shooting it.
It's no hard track. It's really cool. It's just a dance pop track with summer vibes. We try to dance smooth like butter. That's all about the song.
Smooth like butter.
Positive energy and the danceable vibes to the world. And we really enjoy recording it, but many members they had quite a hard times to pronounce the English lyrics.
Yes.
Yeah.
Right. Okay, my next
Hairstyles
question,
चालू same
Jin. I have to ask you that when I was doing my research on you, I watched hundreds of your performances, and you sing and you dance like a dream. But I went to the comment section, I saw that 90% of the comments were about how you are so handsome, and I felt like, of course you are
so
handsome, but I feel like because there's,
Of course.
you think because there's so much focus on how good you look, sometimes it overshadows the fact that you are so much more than that, that you're also a very talented
question.
and hardworking musician.
일단 뭐 그렇게 생각하진 않고요. 뭐 제가 외모가 잘생겼다고 해서 뭐 노래가 부르는 게 마이너스가 되지는 않으니까.
Yeah, it's a plus point
저는
actually.
더 뭐 이걸 잘하고 뭐 얼굴이 잘생겼다 해서 더 부가적으로 추가가 돼가지고 더 좋은 플러스 요소가 된다고 생각을 하고, 뭐 얼굴이 다른 거를 방해한다 뭔가 이렇게 봤을 때 저쪽으로 눈이 조금 더 갈 수는 있지만 얼굴 때문에 다른 것들이 더 이렇게 뭔가 낮아진다, 기준이 낮아진다 이런 거는 아니라고 생각합니다. 뭐랄까 맛있는 음식에 이렇게 장식을 조금 더 추가하는 기분.
Wow. What an example. Seriously, very good. Jin.
That's a very interesting answer. Very well said, very well said. Okay, my next question to Suga. I want to ask you that BTS of course has given us a lot of songs based on your personal suffering and pain. Usually when something happens to us in our lives which is not a happy memory, we want to forget about it and not think about it. But for you as an artist to make songs and music inspired from difficult memories, that means you have to go back and feel all those emotions again. Is that a difficult process emotionally?
어렵지는 않았고요. 평소에 저희가 진짜 좀 많이 곡을 좀 써서 작업물들이 좀 많아요. 저희 멤버들이. 그러다 보니까 개인 작업을 할 때 사실상 어떤 이야기를 할지가 항상 모든 멤버들이 고민을 많이 하는데, 그런 경험들이 있다는 거에 대해서 오히려 좀 지금 돌이켜보면 좀 감사하다는 생각도 들고, 왜냐하면 더 다양한 이야기를 할 수 있었던 것 같아요. 그리고 그 당시에는 다시 생각해내는 게 괴로웠지만 지금은 또 그렇지 않아요. 내고 나면 좀 많이 해소되는 부분도 있어가지고 저는 뭐 반반인 것 같아요.
So, is it also cathartic? Same to Sugar. Is it cathartic when you actually make music out of it? Does it help you cope up with those emotions in the past?
저 같은 경우는 많이 도움이 된 것 같고요. 그리고 이제 뭐
It has been helpful, yeah.
많은 사람들이 되게 트라우마나 안 좋은 기억을 가지고 살지만 어느 순간 그걸 이겨내야 되는 순간이 분명히 존재하고 또 그 정리해야 되는 순간이 필요하다고 생각이 드는데 저는 그 과정 중에 하나가 이제 음악을 발표했던 순간들인 것 같아요.
Right, beautiful, very well said. Then we come to J-Hope. Firstly, I have to tell you what you did for the children in Tanzania was really, really cool. It was a really nice thing to do. Such a hero. For those who don't know, J-Hope on Children's Day donated 100 million Korean won to the children in Tanzania who are suffering from violence.
Wow.
And in fact, all the members of BTS from time to time have donated money to help people in need, which is absolutely amazing.
J-Hope.
My question to you, J-Hope, is that when people talk about BTS, they say most successful band in the world, they say legends of K-pop, and probably every single artist in the world wants to be where BTS is today, but you are already there. When you have achieved that level of success, what is the next goal that drives you? What is the next big thing? What is that BTS dreams to achieve now?
사실 지금
월드
생각을
갭.
해보면은 정말 무궁무진한 꿈들을 가지면서 지금 이 자리까지 왔지만은 사실 그 중심에 하나는 그냥 저희 것을 온전하게 잘 하고 잘 지키고 잘 즐기고 했기 때문에 그냥 뭔가 운명적으로 많은 부분들이 이루어졌다라고 생각이 들기 때문에 그냥 앞으로도 뭔가 뭐 분명한 목표를 두다기보다는 그냥 저희 것을 또 알아서 열심히 하면은 또 많은 부분들이 오지 않을까라는 생각이 들고요. 그리고 뭐 사실 뭐 이제 또 내년에 또 그래미가 있으니까 그래미적인 부분에 대해서도 뭐 목표를 잡으려면 잡을 수 있겠죠. 그래서 항상 저희 것을 열심히 하고 앞으로도 꾸준히 뭔가 음악과 퍼포먼스를 열심히 하면서 사람들에게 좋은 영광과 많은 그런 즐거움을 드리고 싶습니다.
Beautifully spoken. That's very well said. That's very well said, J-Hope. Okay, RM, my question to you is 8 years into the business, and I think BTS has tried so many concepts and given so many genres to the audience, and the fans are really hungry for something new with every single comeback. I want to ask you that when you have tried so many things, now is it hard to sort of reinvent yourself every single time? Is it hard to surprise the audience and bring something new to the table every single time?
Yeah, it is very difficult.
Basically, it's never been easy. We, in average, we've been releasing like new music twice a year, and sometimes it happened like 3 times a year. And mostly, like except Dynamite and this Butter, we've been releasing like 8 to 10 tracks. So it's a really a lot of amount to put in, because never seen such artists like release this kind of amount of music, and of course the contents, the videos, visuals, the behind the scenes. And it would be lie if I say that there's no pressure and it's always full of joy. But actually,
Of course, there's a pressure.
that's what's fun about this.
Because जिस level पे उस level पे आ ही जाता है.
That was one of the biggest reason that made our current position, actually.
Yeah.
Fans and people always expect the new creativity of ourselves, our new images, new hair, new music, new messages, and our new kind of everything. So it's been pressure, but thanks to the pressure, we've been trying to practice and trying to create the new images. In summary, I'll say like it's never been easy and it will never be, but it's still fun, and that's one of the biggest motivation that we could ever have. That's what BTS is right now and will be forever, I think.
You are always so articulate, RM. When you speak, it's always so articulate and so intellectual. It's always a pleasure to listen to you.
Thanks
Like,
for saying
really
that.
speak so well. Okay, my question to Jimin. At a young age, the impact that you have, as BTS is absolutely incredible and enormous in the world. But the thing is, there's so much scrutiny that every single thing that you might say, every sentence is dissected on social media. Every single picture taken is also discussed on social media. Can that be intimidating at times? Do you think it makes you think twice before you might do anything or say anything on camera?
항상 이제 조심해야 되고 부담을 가진 적도 있지만 사실 그만큼 또 저희를 관심을 가지고 저희를 이렇게 봐주시는 분들이 많다는 거를 느끼고 또 저희의 이런 뭔가 말과 행동들이 어느 사람에게는 누군가에게는 또 좋은 영향이 될 수 있다는 사실이 굉장히 저희에게 행복한 일이기도 한 것 같아요. 그래서 더욱더 긍정적이고 좋은 영향을 나눠주고 싶다는 생각이 도리어 더 커지지 않았나 그런 생각이 듭니다.
Very classy. Very, very classy. Okay, V. We have to talk about your voice. V. You have a beautiful voice and it has the power to make the listener feel a lot of emotions, and it's sexy and it's just amazing and just keeps getting better and better with time. I want to ask you, is that something that you have worked on and polished it with a lot of vocal exercising and practice, or is it something that a singer just has to be born with, and no matter how much you practice, you can't get it if you don't already have it?
उसने खुद ही जवाब दे दिया
आ रहे हैं सोच रहा
일단은 옛날에는 이제 먹어가는 발성이라고 선생님께 많이 혼났거든요.
इसका मुकुल टीचर
근데
डांटता था
이제
इसे
이거를 저도 많이 갈고 닦아가지고
improving myself.
이렇게 장점으로 바뀔 수 있지 않았나 싶습니다.
Very good, yeah.
It's a beautiful voice. It's like if you sing all night, the world will listen all night. Okay, Jungkook. First of all, I love your hair. It's absolutely stunning. Good choice of color. I want to ask you that BTS has had a slow journey to the top. You guys have had your fair share of struggle in the beginning of your career. I want to ask you, what is the one important thing that, like a lesson that you learned in that time, which is very valuable, something that you carry with you till now and will stay with you forever?
저는 진짜로 데뷔 전부터 지금까지 멤버들한테서 배운 것도 너무 많고, 그리고 제가 이렇게 막 사회생활 하면서도 배운 것도 너무 많고, 그래가지고 뭐 하나하나 꼽을 수 없는데, 그리고 저는 약간 배웠다기보다 제 주위 환경이 너무 좀 좋은 사람들밖에 없었어가지고 좀 되게 고마운 마음, 뭔가 배우려고 하지 않았지만 좀 그렇게 만들어진 것 같아서 되게 고맙다고 생각하고, 모르겠는데 지금도 사람이 되어가고 있지 않나 그런 생각합니다.
Okay, one more thing. Of course, because you guys have such busy schedules, I'm sure there are days when you're very tired. On days when you're tired and emotionally exhausted, how do you manage to turn up on set and deliver a performance where you're supposed to look happy and excited?
뭐 정말 저희 팬분들이 저희를 지켜보는 거잖아요. 그러니까 저희는 뭐 되게 굉장히 대충 할 수 없다 뭐 이런 생각을 가지고 우리 팬분들이 보는 거니까 열심히 하자 이러면서 다들 피곤해도 다 참고 이겨내고 하는 것 같습니다.
How professional! It's very professional. Okay. So unfortunately, India is going through a very difficult time right now because of the COVID-19, and in the middle of that, your BTS Indian Army managed to raise 2 million Indian rupees within 24 hours and donate it to the patients and counting. Please share a message for them. It will mean so much to them.
Thank you for the beautiful armies in India. We miss you, and we hope that we could be there in front of you as fast as possible. And let us stay strong in these challenging times. Our prayers go to everyone currently fighting against COVID-19, and we hope to see you soon, safe and sound.
Army, do not lose hope.
We're together for India. Stay strong.
Stay strong.
Let's go.
Okay, I have to ask you this because the Indian Army wants to know, when is BTS coming to India for a concert?
We truly hope that
Yes.
the situation gets as soon as possible, better
Yeah,
as soon as
better
possible.
situation,
And
better
if the opportunity comes, I hope we can see each other like safely. We send our best wishes for India's health. Many, including UNICEF, our partner for the Love Myself campaign, are sending their support as well. So we're aware that India is suffering badly from the pandemic. So after it, we truly hope that we can be there and claim that things are over and we're here together right now.
Oh, we can't wait to have you as well. It'll be such an honor if BTS comes to India. There are so many fans who are just waiting for you to come. They're already saving money for the tickets, by the way. Okay, we cannot wrap up without one thing. There's a tradition on our show. Whenever we have a foreign artist, we request them to say one sentence in our language, Hindi. So is it okay if I make you say one sentence in Hindi?
Yep.
So is it okay if I make you say, Indian BTS Army, you live in our heart? Is that okay?
Yep.
Oh, she's asking
Super.
for it first.
Say Indian BTS Army,
Indian BTS Army,
आप हमारे दिल में रहते हैं. Oh, so you guys are so fast. Can we have that in one
They're
go?
so fast.
Can we have that in one go?
Come on.
One more time. Yes.
Show
Okay.
us. What is it?
Indian BTS Army, आप हमारे दिल में रहते हैं.
रहते हैं.
अरे
आरम ने पहले पकड़ लिया. आरम बहुत जल्दी सीख सकता है हिंदी नहीं.
हाँ, there is it.
Indian BTS Army, आप हमारे
दोनों के दोनों
more.
चुप थे.
Okay, one more. Retake. आप हमारे दिल में रहते हैं.
आप हमारे दिल में
अरे सही बोल रहे हैं ना.
भी को समझ नहीं आया. जंगकुक से पूछ रहा है.
Kasama 가자.
He didn't get it.
자, 하나, 둘, 셋.
Indian BTS Army, आप हमारे दिल में रहते हैं.
Super! Oh, that's a 10 out of 10. That was perfect. You guys are so fast at learning. Incredible.
yeah.
Okay.
RM
Thank you
legend.
guys.
Thank you.
आरम seriously.
It was so nice to have you on my show. It was my honor.
आरम बहुत जल्दी सीख सकते हैं.
And you guys make the world such a happy place. I hope that all the happiness multiplies into 1,000 times and comes back to you.
Thank you, Sasha.
Take care of yourself. Bye bye. Bora hai.
Bye.
Namaste. Bye. I'm not Jungkook. I thought you'd say the part in Blood, Sweat and Tears where remember you were in the air suspended with your waist with a string.
그거 생각보다 어려운 게 전혀 없습니다. 그냥 배 벨트 메고 그냥 위로 올라가면 자동으로 올려줘요. 근데 되게 재밌습니다.
못해.
Okay.
वाओ.
Wow.
आई होप ये कोविड जल्दी से खत्म हो एंड बीटीएस आए इंडिया.
BTS India, seriously guys. मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा अमेजिंग था. और यार
मजा आ
उसने
गया.
बहुत सही सवाल पूछे. नहीं बहुत ही मतलब कितने सारे
हाँ, जो
questions
genuine,
होंगे मैं
yes.
लेकिन उसने
उसमें
बहुत
से कुछ
सही
selected
सवाल
questions
जो
निकाले,
थे सारे मतलब ऑलमोस्ट सारी आर्मी जानना चाहती होगी. और ऐसे मतलब हम लोग के दिमाग में कितने साल तो सवाल
हाँ अपन लोग भी सोच सकते हैं कि यार ये ऐसा
बट शी डिड अ गुड जॉब सीरियसली. और उसने बिल्कुल भी वो फैन है बीटीएस की. मैंने सुना है कि वो ऑलरेडी बीटीएस की फैन है लेकिन उसने बिल्कुल भी ऐसे बिल्कुल
नाम क्या था?
pretend नहीं किया.
सक्षमा नाम था ना?
सक्षमा, right.
सक्षमा कितनी लकी है ना.
Yeah, she is very
वेरी
lucky
लकी
though,
सीरियसली यार. शी इज वेरी लकी. जो बीटीएस का इंटरव्यू ले रही है यार. बीटीएस का वो भी इंडिया की वो फर्स्ट इंटरव्यू. सक्षमा शी इज वेरी लकी.
बट सीरियसली यार सब के सब हॉट लग रहे थे. सबने जवाब इतने औसम
मुझे
दे
तो-
दिए. बहुत सही जवाब दिए. मतलब लाइक जिनसे पूछा कि वो इसका हैंडसम होना उसके लिए कहीं नेगेटिव पॉइंट तो नहीं हो जाता क्योंकि ज्यादातर लुक्स पे ध्यान चला जाता. सीरियसली यार ऐसा होता है कि एक बार अगर आपका
हाँ,
look पे
इंसान
ध्यान है तो
focus
टैलेंट
कर
पे
लेता है.
थोड़ा सा कम हो जाता है. लेकिन सीरियसली उसने जो जवाब दिया इट्स लाइक डेकोरेटिंग ऑन केक्स. वाओ दैट वाज सो अमेजिंग. कितना सही उसने इन सब ने ऑलमोस्ट. और जे होप ने यार
मतलब इसी में भी निकाल दिया सवालों को।
इतने प्यार से इतने अच्छे से उन्होंने जवाब दिए हैं। ओ गॉड,
बहुत मजा आ गया मेरे को यार इंटरव्यू देखकर।
बहुत ऐसा लगा जैसे कि
एक्चुअली मेरे पास में इंस्टा पे काफी मैसेज आ रहे थे कि आपने इंटरव्यू देखा, तो मैंने बोला था कि मैंने देखा नहीं, भावना दी ने देख लिया आई थिंक, है ना।
मैंने लिंक स्टार्ट की थी लेकिन मैं पूरा नहीं देखा था।
तो मैंने
देखा था क्योंकि मैं घर में एक्चुअली इतना कुछ चल रहा है,
हमारे घर में भी कुछ ज्यादा कुछ प्रॉब्लम चल रहे, तो हम लोग अभी वहाँ बेसिस है, तो मैंने देखा नहीं। बट मैंने प्रॉमिस किया था जितने भी लोगों ने मुझे मैसेज किया, मैंने सोचा प्रॉमिस किया था कि मैं डायरेक्ट रिएक्शन दूंगा, हम लोग तभी वहीं देखेंगे इसको,
तब वहीं देखेंगे। और सीरियसली मैंने जो देखा था शायद वो मैंने बहुत शायद आधा अधूरा सा देखा था क्योंकि इतना डिस्टर्बेंस हो रहा था ना, तो विदाउट एनी डिस्टर्बेंस अभी जो देखा इतना शांति से तो उसकी तो बात ही अलग है। तो
मेरे को बहुत
मजा आया और ऐसा लग रहा था कि वो इंडिया ही आ गए।
बीटीएस आर्मी आप हमारे दिल में रहते हैं। वी क्या था वो आर्यन ने कितना जल्दी कैच किया ना।
लेकिन यार आर्यन ही इज वेरी गुड यार, मतलब सीरियसली उसने एक बार में पकड़ लिया जितना।
एक क्वेश्चन है मेरे को, जब बीटीएस का इंटरव्यू स्टार्ट हुआ था उससे पहले उन्होंने नमस्ते किया था, तो उनको नमस्ते बताया किसने?
ऑफ कोर्स उनको इतना तो पता ही है, नमस्ते इंडिया का गेस्चर है, सभी को पता है।
अच्छा ऐसा?
आई थिंक ऑलमोस्ट वर्ल्ड को पता है नमस्ते इंडिया का गेस्चर।
नमस्ते।
तो ठीक है, एक और चीज मैं बोलने वाली थी, मुझे भुला देता है ये बोलते।
यस कंटिन्यू।
हाँ तो मैं कह रही थी, हाँ यार काश कि ये जैसे इंग्लिश में सॉन्ग बनाते हैं, अगर इन्होंने हिंदी में सॉन्ग बनाया, oh God,
गेस करो शुगा आ रहे हैं हिंदी में रैप कर रहे हैं।
गॉड, चलो वो रैप तो चलो ठीक है, बहुत ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट हो जाएगा, लेकिन अगर इन्होंने एक दो लाइन भी गाई ना हिंदी में,
मजा आ जाएगा।
गाइस अगर सीरियसली यार ये विजन तक पहुंचनी चाहिए कि एक दो सॉन्ग ऐसे कुछ बनाए जो इंडिया पे, मतलब हालांकि इंडिया में बहुत सारी लैंग्वेजेस बोली जाती है बट फिर भी हिंदी ऑलमोस्ट सब समझते हैं।
हाँ ऑलमोस्ट हिंदी सब जान।
अब वैसे इंग्लिश भी सभी समझते हैं।
पूरा भी हिंदी में नहीं गाया, लाइक 5-10 लाइन
में आप हमारे दिल में रहते हैं, बोला ओह गॉड दैट वाज सो गुड।
प्यार ही गया था उस टाइम तो सीरियसली गाइस,
आप हमारे दिल में रहते हैं।
और उस टाइम पर वी को देखने वाला मोमेंट था यार, आप हमारे, फिर स्किप कर दिया, पूरा दिल निकल गया, उसके बाद में मैं रहते हैं।
2-3 लोगों ने, सुगा ने भी आई थिंक,
जिमिन ने भी किया था, मैं भी।
हाँ जिमिन ने भी थोड़ा सा मिस किया था, बट आरएम यार सीरियसली, आरएम और जिन भी थोड़ा सा,
शुगा ने भी बोल दिया था,
जिन भी थोड़ा सा हो रहा था कि मतलब हाँ ठीक है बोल रहे हैं लोग साथ में, हाँ जैसे बहुत बार होता है हम लोग के साथ में। मैं हमारे घर के
मतलब ऐसी बात है तो
पुराने गीत भजन कुछ होते हैं घर में, जैसे शादी में मान लो, तो मुझे नहीं आते।
हाँ शादी में
ना वो लोग औरतें नहीं गाती रहती है, तो हम लोग साथ में हाँ
क्या बोलते हैं उनको, बना बनी जो भी होते हैं,
तो हम लोग साथ में ना सिर्फ ऐसे करते हैं, सिर्फ प्रिटेंड करते हैं कि हम लोग गा रहे हैं, वो हम नहीं गा रहे होते। तो बिल्कुल
लिपसिंग चलती रहती है, ऑनलाइन लिपसिंग,
तो बिल्कुल वैसा लिटरली फील था,
ऑनलाइन लिपसिंग चलती रहती है। एंड हमारे घर के बुजुर्ग
नहीं बोल पा रहे थे उनके लिए,
बुजुर्ग लोग गाते रहते हैं लाइक घर के, और हम लोग
या तो
और ऐसा फील करते हैं इसके हमको आता है, बहुत टैलेंटेड है।
आई एम श्योर आप में से भी कुछ लोगों के साथ ऐसा होता होगा कि गाना चल रहा है और आपको नहीं आते लिरिक्स, और आप कुछ भी गा रहे हैं, कुछ भी साथ में
एंजॉय कर रहे हैं, बस
एंजॉय कर रहे। तो फिर भी उन्होंने अपने पूरे दिल से बोला, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा, और ये इंटरव्यू बहुत अच्छा था। आई विश ऐसे इंडिया कंटिन्यूअसली और भी उनके साथ इंटरव्यू लें। और
हाँ मतलब हर सॉन्ग के बाद में, टीजर के बाद में इंटरव्यू होता है।
या आई विश ऐसा हो कि इंडिया के साथ तो मतलब कुछ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट हो जाए कि होना ही चाहिए। आई विश ऐसा हो, पर जो हम चाहते हैं वो कभी कभी हो भी जाता है।
मे बी 2021 के अंदर, अभी कोविड खत्म हो जाए और 2021 में इंडिया जाए,
जल्दी इंडिया आए और ये जल्दी से ये सिचुएशन खत्म हो। कोविड-19 की ये सिचुएशन 2 साल हो गए, खत्म ही नहीं हो रही है।
So thanks for watching guys.
Yeah, thanks for watching guys, and
if you like our reaction, so don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe our channel for
okay,
more amazing dance and reaction videos like this.
और आप हमें और भी सजेस्ट कर सकते हैं, इसके अलावा भी किसी का इंटरव्यू वगैरह है के पॉप का, अगर इंडिया के साथ हुआ है,
इंडिया के साथ हुआ होगा,
तो हमें बताइएगा, क्या मे बी शायद हम लोग को और कुछ जानने को मिले, नहीं?
हाँ
तो गाइस बताइएगा हमें, तब तक
like TXT, Blackpink and EXO, किसी का भी इंटरव्यू, इंडियन इंटरव्यू,
क्योंकि अगर कोई है जिसका इंटरव्यू हमें देखना चाहिए तो प्लीज हमें सजेस्ट कीजिए। तो मिलते हैं हम लोग नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए
स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ,
स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ,
बाय बाय।
पर्पल यू बोरा है
सारंगे
बोरा है,
बाय बाय
आर्मीज।